Everyone, welcome back to the concept tutorial. So this is the part 4 of the session. So it's SSIS tutorial part 4. So in this video we will going to cover these topics like creating the simple SSIS package, and we'll see about the SSMS and SSIS, how it's look like. So let's start. So first of all, we will create one SSIS package. So let's so basically you have to click on the new, I will start from the initial level. Just open the Visual Studio, then we'll create new projects. Then from the integration service you can search here as well, SSIS. You will get these projects. So just select on the integration service projects and click the next, and I will give the meaningful name for these projects. And click on the create. So you can see I have created one project of SSIS. You can see here in right side you will see the solution for the SSIS tutorial for part 4, and you can see here some of the elements are there, but it's not relevant, but some of the elements are relevant for the SSIS. Why I'm saying it's not relevant, because of it Visual Studio, it's not for the only SSIS, but we are using for the SSRS and SSAS as well for the. So if you click on the solution or project and click on the right, then you will see the property value, and here as well. Okay, so this is the control flow, and it's a data flow, and this is a toolbox from where you will get the SSIS related tasks, all the tasks, whatever we will going to be learn. So you will see the task in a control flow, and in a data flow you will see the components of the SSIS. Okay, so this all are we are saying, it's a components, and task is in a control flow. Okay, so suppose you have to create one SSIS package. So just you have to right click on the SSIS package, click on the new SSIS package, then you can see here, and then you can rename it SSIS project. So you can see the SSIS extension is the DTSX. Okay, so this is the package, and this one is the project, and your project is under SSIS tutorial part 4. Okay, so this can be you can drag and drop, attach anywhere the solution explorer. Okay, so I will attach here, so it will go this side. And suppose if you wanted, suppose toolbox is not showing, so this toolbox you will get from here as well, like SSIS toolbox, or you can uh, take the SSIS toolbox from from above, like option. Okay, so the best way is to take the SSIS toolbox from the right click on anywhere in a blank screen, and click on the SSIS toolbox. Okay, so and you will see here some connection manager tab, where suppose you are going to pull the data from any other source, like it can be Excel, anything, you know about the SQL Server Integration Service is a fast and flexible data warehouse tool. So used to data extraction, transformation, and data loading. So it can be like a database such as SQL Server, Oracle, Excel, anything it can be. So if you click on the right, if you click right here, right click, then you will see the some of the options are available, like a new OLEDB connection, new flat file connection. Okay, so this is the connection manager, and these are the solution explorer. Okay, so that's it about the about this topic. So in the next lecture we will see some more uh, like options or projects. So from this, that's it. So thank you so much, and please let me know if is there required any changes or anything in an explanation, or if you have any doubt, then you can comment it on the videos. So we'll see, and please subscribe and share. Thank you.